So we have 4 Pokemon cards. These packs have 3 Pokemon cards in it. The usual ones will be $5, but we just got the $3. Let's unbox now. Okay, so we are gonna start it with the XY breakthrough. So we got a Cyndaquil, we got a Bronzer, and we got a Behem. Now we have the Sun and Moon pack. So we have a Alolan Meowth, a shiny Crocodile, and a Wishy-Washy. Now let's move on to the next pack. A Sun and Moon Celestial Storm. We have a Tweeko, a Matang, and an Energy Psychic card. Now for our last one, the Sun and Moon Forbidden Light. I think we might get like a Mega or EX in this. A Magnemite, a Honedge, and a Braixen. Let's review our shiny cards. We only got, I think we only got like 3. Yeah, we got like 3. The shiny ones like look cool. Like some have like this. These ones have the symbol, what type it is. So like the Bronzer is a metal type, and it has the label metal, and the Crocodile has also the dark type, and there's like a big dark type thing here, so that's really cool. And we have a Matang, so they have that big symbol too, like the Crocodile. Thanks for watching, guys.